Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and stream to YouTube with OBS Studio. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I hope you have downloaded and installed your OBS Studio and launched it as an administrator like I have. I hope you've set up your scenes and sources. If you haven't, or if you don't know how to, I've already made a video on that. You can go ahead and check that out. And finally, now in order for you to go ahead and stream on YouTube, all you need to do is click on settings down over here. Go ahead and click on stream as the third option right over here. And then you want to go ahead and select on services to YouTube, just like that. Here on server, you can either go ahead and use your backup ingest, primary, or even RTMP. I normally just use primary YouTube ingest server. Click on use stream key. For me, stream key is already in there, but let me just go ahead and show you exactly how you can get the stream key. All you need to do is click on get stream key right over here, or just go to YouTube Studio of your own channel, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here. And on this page, on the bottom right over here, as you can see, you can simply copy your stream key. You can edit your titles and your categories right over here, and simply go ahead and paste it right over here and click on apply. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and start streaming by clicking on this button. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.